Hello everyone. Previously, we had seen what exception handling is, right? So today we'll be going with generics. So what is generics? Generics allow classes and methods to work with different types of data, ensuring type safety as well as the code reusability. So let's see this one with a very simple example so that you'll understand clearly. So what I'll do, I'll just come here. Let me right click over on new and click on Java class. Let me give the name generics example, right? Let me hit the enter. So next, what we have done here, we have defined a public class named generics example. Next, let's create the main method as well. Let's define the main method. I'll just give public statics void main. Let me give string as well as bugs as well, right? So we have defined the main method. Next, what I'll do, let's create the array list to hold the string objects. So the simple thing is, let me give array list. So here you can see automatically this got imported. Nothing but we have imported the array list class from the Java util package. So I'll just give array list. Within this, let me give string. Also here let me give string list. So equals new array list of, right? So what we have done here, we have created a array list. This one, we have created an array list to hold the string objects. So let's add some strings to the string list, right? So for that one, what I'll do, I'll just make use of string list. We have already given here dot add of. You can give anything, random text within the string. I'll just give hello in this case. Let me copy the same thing. Let me come here. Let me paste it over here. Instead of hello, I'll just give Bharadwaj. This is fine. For now, this is fine. So basically what we have done here is, initially, if I come here, we have created an array list to hold the string objects, right? This line. Next, what we have done, we have added hello to the string list, initially this one. And here we have added Bharadwaj to the string list. Next, what we'll do, we'll loop through each string in the string list. Let me make use of the for loop. I'll just come here. Let me give string str. We give string list. This is fine. What we are doing here, we are looping through each string in the string list. And what shall be print? I just make use of s out and let's print the str. Nothing but string, right? So this is fine. This looks good. Let's run the code. What output we have to get? We have to get hello and Bharadwaj, right? Let me run the code. So you can see here, we are getting the output hello and Bharadwaj. So everything looks good. So next we'll be going through collections. So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.